Who should we vote for? আমাদের কাকে ভোট দেওয়া উচিত? As a citizen of Bangladesh, I believe we should vote for honest and responsible leaders, not for corruption, not for lies. We need leaders who care about education, jobs, and poor people. Why? These three things are very significant for the people of Bangladesh. Let me explain. First of all, education. As a student, I and you know the education system of Bangladesh. There is nothing perfect for for increase our skills. The education system totally depends the memorize. Those learners can memorize the entire book very easily who can get the full marks from the exam. But those learners don't like to memorize the book, believe me, who cannot get a good numbers. But every learners don't like to memorize the book. But every people like to learn practically. That's why our country education system should be practical learning system. That system every learners will be follow very easily. Secondly, jobs. We know there are plenty of educated person in my country, but there are lack of occupation. Every well-bred person cannot get their job. So next government must make enough job opportunity, not only for the well-bred person but also the leaders will make opportunity for a skilled person. The leader will take care the skilled person and they will think how to make a skilled person in my country. Lastly, poor people. Actually, as a needy people, I can understand how many problems there are in the poor people. Number one problem is most of the politic person they like to use us. Election time. After finish the election, they would like to make themselves great. They don't want to do something new for the poor people. That's why the next leader must think about poor people, like how the poor people will make themselves great. Because rich people behind has lots of opportunity, but a needy people, a poor people behind, nobody is stay for help those for learners and for person. That's why the government must look about poor people, like how to make their skills great without spend lots of money. So this is my this I as a citizen of Bangladesh, I would like to I would like to see these quality leaders. And lastly, I want to tell you for the people of Bangladesh, this is best time to select a best leader. So don't think blindly, think wisely. This is not a vote, this is a power. When we use it properly, when we use our vote to select a perfect leader. So 12 February we must go the vote center and we must select our favorite leaders who only work for our country people, who never work for make the leader self great. When the country people will be happy, the leader will be happy, otherwise not. This is my opinion to select a best leaders, and I must want to select a best leader for my country. For as much I have only one vote, so I think just one vote is enough to select a perfect leader. When everyone will use our too much valuable vote perfectly. Mercy.